Day 6. What do y'all want? I know, I hear y'all. I leave my door open a lot during the day. That one there came inside the house. Had me scared to death. I heard something in my spare room. I was like, what is that noise? I thought a dang coon or something that came out there. But, yeah, they're up. Get them put up. Yes. I know. Y'all know the drill. Go, come on. And I'm trying to get one of my hens to go broody. I'm hoping mama hen gets broody. Come on, y'all. Come on, children. Come on, children. Oh, limp a lot, doing pretty good now. Come on. Look, that girl just came out from underneath there. Y'all seen that? Okay. Where's Mama at? There's Mama. There's Fatty. There's Blackie. There's the babies. Alright. Everybody's here. Except for them 3. But yeah, today's day 6. Still no word. Called my doctor. They still don't have the results back yet. I'm feeling a lot better, but I mean, I don't know how. I've never had whatever this thing is before, so I don't know what's really to expect. So, but yeah, I'm doing good. Everything's doing good. I ain't went nowhere. I drove around today. That's about all I've done. Just to get out of the house for a little while. I'm telling you, it gets pretty sporty in that house. I got to talk to the kids well, they don't even come in the house. I just make them stand outside in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the ducks are here. Yeah, for some reason today they didn't go in the coulee at all. I think they stayed around the house all day long. Go take a look. And they still got water in it. We got a lot of rain yesterday. It was like crazy. It was like it hit about 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning. It was like, Jesus. Woke me up, I was like, oh, yeah, if it's my time, it's my time. I'll just go ahead and go back to sleep. Everything's still looking healthy. Nothing broke. My tomato plants are still hanging in. Well, I'm waiting for that one fig right there. If you can see that one. I'm waiting for that one to turn color, because that's going to be the first one I'm going to eat. So yeah, everything's still okay. I don't know, I think them are ladybugs. It's hard to tell them apart. Ladybugs and them Japanese beetles. But I ain't had no Japanese beetles biting me, so maybe that is ladybug. Because this one's got a bunch of them on it. They're all over the place. Oh, everywhere. Still no apples though. Oh, there's another one. Well, yeah. We survived last night, man. A lot of damage was done though. Up north Louisiana, man, they can't catch a break. It's like once a week they getting hit. Right, y'all. Y'all have a good day. I know that ain't no coneflower. Look, see, that's a coneflower. All the way over here. I never planted no coneflower over here. Jesus, man, them things crazy. It's a pasture coneflower is what they call it. And I planted them way over there. But alright, hey, let's go try to find that pumpkin plant. There it is, I see it. Out in the middle of nowhere. I don't think the ducks and chickens are going to allow it to live. Or something is not going to allow it to live. Oh yeah, you have a good night. God bless. stay safe, stay healthy, and stay home.